Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the coolest concept in SQL, that is called self-join, using a simple and real world example from the banking sector. Why banking sector? Because you can see today's question is from none other than this American Express data analyst interview question, that is from beginner to experienced employees, that is 0 to 3 years. And the question is all about self join and how is it used. Let me tell you, by the end of this video you will know what is called a self join, why it's useful, and how to use it to solve real world problem like tracking who referred whom in a banking referral program. First thing first, what exactly is a self join? Self join is a type of join where a table is joined with itself. Yes, the same table on both sides. Earlier, when we have learned join, we used to say there are two tables, and from the both table we used to connect any any column which is common between the two. But in today's video, we will be joining the same table with columns which are almost common, not fully common, but the data in both the column will be matching. So why would we do that? Well, sometimes the data we are working with is related within the same table. For example, in banks customer table, one customer might refer another, and both records are in same table. That's why. Let's take an example of a table called practice customer. I am minimizing this. I have done this create and insert into table, so I will give this in the comment section so that you can copy and paste it into your SQL database. In this, let me run it once again. See, in this the referred by column tells us which customer referred this person. It store customer ID for the referrer. Now our goal is simple. For each customer we want to display their name and the name of the person who referred them. Remember, both name live in the same table, so we will need to join the table to itself. Let us write the SQL query for the same. I will be needing two columns, that's why in select I will write two columns from the same table but with a different alias. Select c1 dot customer name as referred customer, then c2 dot same customer name as referrer. Now the magic happens. We will write join but in a left join. Why left join? Because see, in this table the customer ID, we will be writing this left table with c1 and right table on c2. So in customer ID there are all the data of customer, but in referred by there are customer IDs but not all the data are there in customer. Why? Because let me tell you one thing, in referral program the customer who is referring to his friend or relative or someone, that ID should be using the service. I mean to say, the customer IDs present here are those customer who are using the service. That's why. So the customer IDs and the referred by will be those customer who are using the service, so it will be same. We will be giving table c1, this table c1 of the same table as left join. Why? Because in left join we want all the data, and all the data are present in this column. That's why. And right table we will keep referred by. So let's write practice cx as c1 left. No, first of all we will have to write from table, from this, because in left join the table which is above, which is in from, that is on left table, and the table which we write after left join is on the right side. That's why. As C2 on right, I told you C1 will be the left table. So in left table we will take all the data which are present in referred by. Why referred by? Because we want those customer name who have referred to someone. So this is the main column. Why main column? Because we want all the data of those customer who have referred to someone. That's why. And to want all the data from one table, we have to take left join by giving left table as C1. So we have given C1 dot referred by equal to C2 dot customer ID. And you have seen in previous videos, like when we join two table, we join the columns of both the table which are having common data or mutual data. So in this table these two columns are having mutual data or same data. So it's done, and let's run the query and see what data do we get. See, in this left join, okay, first before jumping into the output, let me give a brief about itself. Like C1 is the alias for the first version of the table, the person who got referred. C2 is the second version, that is the one who referred them. We join C1 referred by with C2 customer ID to match the IDs, right? You can see referred CX, that's why. And when you see the result, you have list of all the customer along with those who referred them. You can see the customers of referred, it was 1, 1, 2 and 3. If you see this 1, 1, 2, 3, 1 is Rajesh, 2 is Sneha, 3 is Arjun. Same thing if I do it here, you can see 1 is Rajesh, 2 is Sneha, 3rd is Arjun. So here referrer name is there, and those customer who got referred, their name are there. Obviously Rajesh won't be referring to Rajesh, that's why Rajesh referrer is blank. Simple as that. So why self join is useful? This kind of logic is super useful in real world banking scenarios, to track referral bonus, to build customer referral change, and even for loyalty programs or network marketing models. That's why. So that's a self join, joining a table with itself to uncover relationship within it. It's simple, powerful and very common in real world scenarios. If this video helped you to understand self join better, hit that like button and let me know in the comment section if you want some different example for this self join. Don't forget to subscribe for more SQL, Python and data analysis question for different companies as well. Thanks for watching. See you in next video and take care. Bye bye and happy coding.